Good morning, students. Today I will teach you how to open a file or a folder. So let me show you the step. Let's say I want to open this particular folder. Okay. So what I will do? Simply I will put the mouse pointer on this particular folder, right click and click on open. Okay. This is how you can open a folder. In the same way, you can open a file as well. Let's say I want to open this particular file. So what I will do? Put the mouse pointer on this particular file, right click on the file and then click on open. The file will get open. Okay. And let's say that I want to open a file which is stored at different location. So what I will do? First, I will click on this computer icon, right click on the computer icon and then click on open. Alright, now this is the Windows Explorer screen. Okay, now if you want to open any particular file, for that you have to open any of these particular drives. Double click. This is how you can open a particular file. Okay, let's say I want to open this new folder, and this is how you can open a particular file. The last topic in this chapter is how to rename a file or a folder. So this is also very easy. Rename means to change the existing name of a file or a folder. Okay. So what you need to do is put the mouse pointer on that particular file, right click and click on rename. And from here you can change the name. Like see, I've written 6A B C. Okay. This is how you can change the name of a file or the folder. In the same way, you can change the name of the folder as well. Put the mouse pointer on the folder, right click and then click on rename. And from here, you can change the name of the folder. So children, this is how we come to the end of this chapter. I will also give you the answer key of the exercises and the question answers today itself. So, thank you. Have a nice day.